Precision kiln drying reduces moisture down to an exact 8% for maximum strength. Four-side planers machine each slat to precise, micro-calibrated square dimensions.
Eco-friendly structural resin is evenly rolled across every flat bamboo surface. Technicians align resin-coated slats into dense multi-layer blocks.
Enormous hydraulic pressure fuses the bamboo slats into a rock-solid, unified timber block. Precision bandsaws slice the laminated block into micro-thin, flexible wood veneers.
Natural organic softening agents turn rigid bamboo veneers into supple, bendable material.
Thermal rollers fuse flexible bamboo wood onto organic cotton fabric backing. Thermal rollers fuse flexible bamboo wood onto organic cotton fabric backing.
Inspectors verify laser-cut edge quality and check for consistent bamboo grain patterns. Skiving machines taper the panel edges to allow seamless, flush stitching down the line. Intricate luxury patterns and micro-perforations are laser engraved onto the bamboo surface. Skilled artisans stitch the flexible bamboo panels together using high-strength eco-waxed thread. A ultra-soft, breathable lining is cemented to the inner wall of the bamboo upper. Hand craftsmen trim away excess interior lining for a crisp, refined collar silhouette. Pneumatic presses stamp precision lace holes and set solid brass luxury eyelets.
Malleable thermoplastic heel counters are inserted to preserve the shoe's structural cup.
Internal box toe inserts guarantee the front dome retains its iconic luxury shape. Direct steam softens the bamboo composite, rendering it perfectly pliable for lasting. The softened bamboo upper is fitted tightly over an anatomically designed shoe last. Precision pincer jaws pull the bamboo upper taut over the last's front curvature.
Artisans manually stretch and anchor the bamboo waist panels tight against the arch curve.
Automated wipers lock the heel counter tightly around the base of the last.
Convection heat setting locks the bamboo fibers permanently into the mold's exact contour.
Sub-zero cold shock instantly freezes the molded bamboo shape for lifetime structural stability. Rotary wire brushes abrade the bottom edges, preparing the bamboo for maximum adhesive bond. Compressed air clears every speck of debris to guarantee absolute adhesive purity. 5-axis CNC routers carve structural arch support shanks out of solid bamboo timber. Hand buffing removes tooling marks, ensuring the bamboo shank fits smoothly inside the midsole.
The solid bamboo shank is permanently set into the arch cavity for rigid foot support.
Natural cork paste fills bottom cavities, providing lightweight cushioning and a level base.
Heavy rollers compress the cork bed perfectly flush with the bamboo edge margins.
Raw natural latex rubber is blended with fine bamboo fiber powder for added strength. Reinforced rubber slabs are loaded into precision-carved steel outsole molds.
High heat and pressure vulcanize the rubber, molding deep tread patterns into the sole. The cured outsole emerges steaming, complete with custom traction lugs and branded detailing. Technicians shear off excess flash edges to achieve a razor-clean sole perimeter. High-strength eco-polyurethane adhesive is brushed onto both the upper bottom and sole. Infrared radiation reactivates the adhesive coats, preparing them for permanent fusion.
Master craftspeople align and hand-mate the bamboo upper directly to the sole unit. Pneumatic presses clamp the shoe, exerting multi-directional force across every curve.
Bond line inspections verify that the bamboo upper and sole have fused completely.
Precision sanding flushes the seam where the upper meets the outsole perimeter.
A heavy-duty welt machine sews a structural 360-degree stitch through the sole and bamboo upper.
Artisans hand-trim thread ends and heat-seal the knots for waterproof durability.
The internal shoe last is collapsed and cleanly pulled from the shaped bamboo upper. Internal illumination wands help inspect inner linings for ultimate comfort standards. Custom footbed insoles are die-cut from breathable, antimicrobial bamboo charcoal foam.
Ultra-soft bamboo silk fabric is laminated onto the footbeds for maximum luxury comfort.
Precision thermal presses stamp the brand logo in radiant gold foil onto the silk heel. Artisans seat the cushioned bamboo sock liners securely into the shoe interior. Ultra-fine microsanding by hand smooths every detail of the bamboo wood exterior.
Pure natural beeswax is brushed across the upper to nourish and accentuate wood grain depth.
Controlled heat drives protective beeswax deep into the bamboo pores for weather resistance. Cotton buffing wheels shine the bamboo wood grain to a radiant, mirror-like gloss finish.
Hand burnishing with hardwood tools seals sole edges into a rich, dark satin border.
Artisans hand-apply dark, antique patina gradients to create bespoke luxury shading. Robotic spray arms apply a hydrophobic nanocoating to protect against water and UV rays. Ultraviolet lamps instantly cure the protective shield, locking in color and water resistance. Water bead tests verify that the cured bamboo upper repels moisture completely. Premium woven bamboo cotton laces are laced by hand through the brass eyelets. Laser calibration tools confirm perfect physical symmetry across the pair of shoes. Laser systems engrave individual serial numbers into each pair to certify authenticity. Artisans hand polish every panel with microfiber cloths to achieve absolute visual purity. Aromatic wooden shoe trees are fitted inside to hold shape and preserve interior freshness. Each finished bamboo shoe is wrapped inside an organic bamboo fiber dust bag. Crafted luxury presentation boxes are lined with gold-accented protective tissue paper. The right shoe is positioned within the box cavity, nestled securely in custom tissue.
The left shoe sits beside its match, forming a clean presentation layout. A hand-signed certificate of authenticity and material origin is inserted into the box lid. A carved bamboo shoehorn and organic conditioning wax complete the luxury set.
Magnetic box closures snap shut, sealing the handcrafted pair in their presentation case.
Woven satin ribbons are wrapped around the box and tied with precision bow knots.
A molten wax seal stamped with the signature bamboo emblem secures the outer ribbon. Reinforced shipping sleeves slide over the box to protect it during worldwide transport. Precision scales verify package weight before automated systems print final tracking labels. Packaged shoes roll down automated conveyors, heading to international air freight crates. The finished crates are secured, ready to ship handcrafted bamboo luxury shoes around the globe.
From raw forest bamboo stalks to an exquisite masterpiece of sustainable footwear design, uniting nature, artisan craftsmanship, and industrial innovation in every step.